will conduct electricity.
Yes.
Okay. So it's yes for aluminum foil, metal. It's wooden chopstick.
No.
Yep.
No one chopstick.
Metal chopstick.
Yes. Nope. Did not work. Okay.
Do you think Play-Doh's gonna work?
No.
You don't think Play-Doh's gonna work?
No.
Alright.
Do you think play's gonna work? Okay.
Do you think water's gonna work?
Yes. Work.
So water
Works.
works. Okay.
Good job, everybody.
All right.
Good job, everybody.
Alright, let's see if salt works.
Nope.
Salt and water, do you think the light's gonna be brighter
Yes.
than with just regular water?
Dump it. Dump it. Oh, it's bright. Much better. Good. Ooh, that's too much, Daddy. No. Told you, Daddy.
Slime, yes or no?
No.
Let's see. So slime works.
Goodbye. I hope you like watching my electrician movie. Ellie the Engineer. See you next time.